In this video, I'll show you how to enable and display file extensions in Windows. If the content is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. To enable and show file extensions in Windows, let's navigate to File Explorer. Here you see multiple files. None of them has an extension. To check what extension is, you need to do multiple clicks. You need to select the file, right mouse click, and then click Properties. Here in Properties, you see that the file has a PNG extension. To enable and always display this PNG extension, you need to select View, navigate to Show, and then select File Name Extension. Now you can see that each file has an extension. The first file has PNG, which is the image, then PDF, PNG again, MP4, and you can go down the list and see an extensions for all the files. Found this video helpful? Like the video, subscribe to online training for everyone, and have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.